Thank you for coming back to Mrs. Leefatt Teach. Today we are multiplying whole numbers using the area model. So let's start. We're going to start with the number 57 times 62. Okay. So we're going to look at each number and we're going to look at each of the digits and see how much is each digit worth. So the 5 in 57 is worth 50. And the 7 is worth 7. That's in the ones place. And 62, the 6 is worth 60. And that's in the tens place. And the 2 is worth 2. That's in the ones place. Okay. So now for the area model, we are going to draw some boxes. Okay, and we're going to draw a box for each of these digits. Okay, so we're going to draw 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes. So let's draw them now. And we're going to draw them big enough so we can all see it. All right. So big. Ooh, a lot of squeaking going on here. Okay. This board is a glass board, so it's going to be a little bit squeaky, going to be a little bit slippery, all right? So now we take this number. So we're using these numbers as a reference. So we have 50 plus 7. So 50 plus 7, 60 plus 2. All right. So I like to do something like this. I like to box my zeros. And the reason why I do that is it gives me the basic multiplication facts. So these two numbers, 50 times 60, we're going to write in the first box. Okay, and then I'm going to, even in the box, I'm going to box my zero so I can see the basic facts of 5 times 6, which equals to 30. How many zeros did I box? Yes, that's right. I boxed 2 zeros. 1, 2. So let's write that down. And I have 3,000. So I'm going to go down to this box, okay? And I'm going to write 50 times 2. Once again, I'm boxing my zeros so I can see my basic multiplication facts, which is, in this case, 5 times 2, which is 10. And I box 1 0, so that's 1 0. That's going to give me 100. Now I go on to this box. Now this box has 7 times 60, or 60 times 7. So let's write that down. 60 times 7. Once again, what am I going to do? Yes, that's right. Box my zeros so I can see my 6 times 7, which equals 42. So I'm going to write 42. And how many zeros did I box? 1 0. I'm going to put the 0 in that place. And I have one last box. Okay, which two numbers I didn't use? I didn't use yet. I didn't multiply yet. That's right. 7 times 2. Or 2 times 7. Okay, so I'm going to write 7 times 2, which equals to 14. So I'm going to take each of these numbers. I'm going to take the 3,000. I'm going to take the 420. I'm going to take the 100. I'm going to take the product of 14 over here. I'm going to add them all together. So 3,000. And I like to start with the largest number on top, plus 420, plus 100, plus 14, and let's add it all together. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 4 equals, yes, 4. 0 plus 2 equals 2. 2 plus 0 equals 2. And 2 plus 1 equals 3. 0 plus 4 equals 4. 4 plus 1 equals 5. And 3, and we have nothing here, so we're just going to bring that 3 down. And my product, I'm going to circle my answer. The product is 3,534. So 57 times 62 equals 3,534. That's the product. Okay, so we multiplied whole numbers using the area model. All right. So thank you for coming. Have a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful day. And I hope that you learned a little bit more about this concept, or even a lot more. Okay? Have a wonderful day. See you next time.